Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? It's Tom here, and it's around 11 o'clock, and I usually don't do videos this late, but I had a very long meeting tonight with my girlfriend slash business partner. Yes, we do Amazon FBA together, and she works a 9 to 5, so she's definitely hustling there. And I thought it would be really cool to let you guys know what we have planned out. I wrote everything down on 2 pieces of massive paper, so I'm just going to go down the list, kind of summarize the things that I have to do as an Amazon FBA seller while running Ecom Hub and my course and all that stuff. So I'm not sure if this is something you guys are interested in, just kind of like behind the scenes, behind the curtains of literally, I have 2 massive pieces of papers here. We listed everything out, so I'm just going to go down the list and basically let you guys know what we have to do. So I should probably start with my skincare brand. Alright, so with regards to skincare brand, one of the things we're doing right now is creating assets. So what I mean by that is essentially video and photo content. And I'm sorry if I'm not looking into the camera, I'm just literally looking right into the piece of paper here. We have a lot of things we need to go over. So one of the things we need to do right now is creating video content, creating photo content, and how we're getting the video content is essentially going on YouTube and contacting influencers on YouTube. They're already very used to making video content because obviously YouTube is a video platform, and we're trying to get 20 pieces of content. Content could be anything from unboxing to review to just talking about some of our products, and of course we're going to be sending those products to those people for free. We're trying to get free videos back, but if we have to pay, that's fine as well. At the end of the day, they are business owners as well, and they have bills to pay. The second piece of that is photo content. Photo, obviously IG, Instagram is a great place for you to get photo content, as it is primarily a photo-based platform. So we're going to be doing the same thing. So we're trying to get 20 pieces of videos, 20 pieces of photos. Also, we're doing email marketing. So what I've done was I've used Pages. I was able to get 10,000 emails at 9 cents per email. And then what I'm doing with the emails is I am sending them. So I'm not sending everybody an email right away. I'm testing out 2 offers. One offer is buy one, get one free. The other offer is a 50% off coupon. And I'm essentially starting off with a very small amount of emails, so 100 emails and 100 emails. So 100 people will get one of the offers, the other 100 people will get the other offers, and I'm just testing out which offers has a higher conversion rate, and then I'm going to be kind of scaling from there. So if you guys want to check out Pages, click on the link below. All right, and Europe. All right, so one of the things about Europe is it's a great place for you to sell your products right now. We got our European stuff approved long time ago, and it's just gonna be on the back burner. So what I'm doing now is I'm literally sending 100 units of one of our products to Europe, and then going through that entire process, right? Just literally sending it to UK, printing out the FN SKU, and just get it on Europe. I don't even care if we're making money or not. Just go through the entire process logistically, and if it works, then I'm sure there's going to be hiccups down the road or in the middle, but hey, we're only sending 100 units, so that's not a huge headache. Just going to go through that one time. Launching a new product very soon, probably next week, and we are hoping to get 30 reviews fairly quickly, and then once we get 30 reviews, then we will do a actual launch. So the photos are getting done right now, the copywriting is already done, and we have a list of reviewers who actually really love a product, and we're essentially going to be contacting them to get their honest feedback. And we should be able to get 30 reviews without an issue. And then we're also going to be targeting people that already bought our product and targeting them on Facebook and essentially giving them a really good offer. So we're going to do buy one of our new product, get the other product which we are selling right now for 99% off. We're going to be using a URL where essentially it's on heliumtin.com/gems, I think. Basically, you can create this URL, and if someone clicks on the URL, it's already added to cart with the product A at full price and product B at 99% off, and you can actually get the frequently bought together section on Amazon that way as well. Once we do the launch, we're going to be using Facebook, PPC, email marketing, and then we're actually going to be trying out Amazon giveaway this time as well. It's a new feature, I guess, relatively new thing that Amazon implemented, and we're just gonna try it out, see how it goes, and yeah, hopefully that does that. All right, so with regards to the email marketing, we also implemented a one-click upsell on our website as well, so that when they do buy our product via email marketing, once they go to the checkout page, they can click on we're going to have a one-click upsell, and then we're going to upsell them a complimentary product. So that's the cool thing about building a brand, guys, having a brand of products where if someone likes product A, they'll like product B, C, D, E, F, G, right? It's not just like selling random products. And we got to film a bunch of how-to videos. Because it's skincare, I can't go in front of a camera. So either I'm going to get my girlfriend to do it, or we're going to hire models and whatnot to do it. So that's pretty much it with our skincare business. And then I'm going to be talking about, okay, so second part of this is essentially our new Amazon store. So we got 3 main products and 3 complementary products that essentially we can bundle. So there's 6 products total that we found within this one brand. We need to evaluate all the samples. Samples are still coming in right now. We have more samples coming in, so we need to evaluate everything. We need to basically tidy everything up and create a master spreadsheet with everything. We gotta fill in the spreadsheet just to make sure that we can make money at different price points, at different quantity items. And then we need to start thinking about a brand name, and we need to start building our branding in terms of the packaging and stuff like that too. And we also just need to make sure that everything is FDA approved, and we want to get something called an MSDS form from our supplier just to make sure that all the ingredients are 100%. None of them are like banned ingredients, so that when the products get into the States, FDA check and we're screwed. So definitely do not want that to happen. We are also right now, so there's a lot of stuff going on right now. We need to hire a customer service representative as well as someone who can do influence marketing the whole 40 hours a week. Essentially what we really want to do is get our products out there through influencers. What we want to do is we want to find the right influencers, we want to give our products to them, we can pay them if it has to, and then just collect as many assets, collect as much information from them as possible so that we can use that for our marketing purposes. So there's a course that I actually took on influence marketing, and it was really good. So I'm going to give my VAs or whatever to watch that course and make sure that they can do that as well. And if you guys are interested in some sort of a course on influence marketing for Amazon sellers specifically, let me know in the comment section. I know a few people that are very good with influence marketing, so I can probably do something with them and then provide you guys with some sort of a course. So let me know, and then if you guys are interested. If not, then whatever. Lastly, we also have some banking information we got to fill out. And we got to do accounting. So it's year end for us pretty soon, so we got to do accounting for that, and basically just do bookkeeping for the whole entire year, which is extremely boring and brutal because I forgot what each transaction was for 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Getting a new credit card because it's better, setting up a new bank account, BMO Harris, because I'm Canadian and that's the only corporate account that I can use. So going forward next year, I want to keep my books a little bit cleaner. And that's pretty much with the Amazon side and the e-commerce side. And also I have Ecom Hub, which I didn't write anything down, but it's like could be like 2 pages worth of stuff, right? We got the podcast going, we got the blogs going, we have our course going, we have webinars that we need to do, we need to write email autoresponders. I need to get on calls with my students. I need to get on calls to close more students or potentially students. That's pretty much what my life looks like right now, guys. I wouldn't have any other way. I think this is one of the cool videos, or one of the few videos I've done where I'm literally showing you everything. So if you guys are interested in the stuff behind the scenes, let me know. Guys, you have to let me know things. I read every single comment, so you know, your comments are my fuel. Like, if you guys are not commenting, if you guys are not liking, if you guys are not watching my stuff, like, I don't know, like, I get very demotivated to put stuff on YouTube, right? So if you guys like this stuff, if you tell me what you guys are looking for, right? Tell me what you guys are looking for, and I'll do my best to provide you guys with value and help you guys out. Because at the end of the day, you know, I came from nothing. I didn't know any e-commerce. I was just lucky to get to know the right people, and I was able to scale my business successfully. But this is only the beginning. I don't want to get comfortable. I'm trying to learn more things every single day. I'm trying to do more stuff every single day. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you watched this far. I would appreciate that. Leave me a comment in the section below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will make sure to see you guys in the next video. Have a good night, guys.